Welcome back, YouTube. Nick here with another episode of our track build series. Today we are working on the same feature as our last video. It is this nice gentle step up in the lower loop of the track. We got a bulldozer and added this whole section in, and we built a very mellow double that was supposed to be super beginner friendly. After a few weeks of riding it, we thought, you know what this needs to be less beginner friendly, so we built a sketchy little takeoff to make it a triple. This is going to be a short build video, so let's jump in. The first thing we need to do is add a little bit of dirt. We're keeping the double on the right half of the track, so we'll add a little bit of dirt to that to mellow the face, and then we'll pour some buckets on the left-hand side for the new jump. Sit back, relax, and I'll be back once it's time to sculpt. The dirt is stacked, so now I am on the Kubota and shaping the takeoff. The goal here is a short and poppy takeoff similar to what you would have on a stadium track. The original double was 20 feet, so this triple is 35 and change depending on where you take off and land. Once I get that roughly in shape, I will then come over to the double and give it a smoothing. Okay, we have everything shaped and smoothed out. It just needs a little bit of finish raking to pull the rocks out, and then we will roll it in with the quad. Once we finish these takeoffs, we will then go down to the corner and add a little bit of dirt. The corner is on the cross slope of a hill, so it is slightly cambered. It's not bad, but we're going to add a few yards of dirt just to make it level. Long term, we might rip and till this or put a berm, but for the time being, just making it level will make it easier. Once that's done, it's time to do some riding and testing. I tried the no speed seat bounce. Solid a foot short. Okay, we just got done testing and the jump face is gonna need a little bit of grooming. Here I am a few weeks later. The dirt is completely packed in. I'm gonna grab the dozer, smooth the run in and push the dirt up, and then add it to the top. Let's enjoy. Boom, I knocked that out in 15 minutes actual time. It was pretty quick and easy. You can see the jump face turned out about the same size, maybe slightly taller. When I tracked it in at the end, I compressed the top left a little bit. It's by no means perfect, but it did ride a lot better. We don't have any more riding footage, but thanks for tuning in for another build video. We have a lot of things slated for 2026, so if you enjoy the content, give us a like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.